Hey everyone, and welcome to the 23rd video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video we will see the property called text stroke. Okay, so it is a property which will just make your website more beautiful, make your text even more beautiful. It's more like it will stand out. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. To the users, okay, so let's see what I mean. So first of all, as you can see here, we have a simple p tag and I have given some color and font size. Okay, now let's see what is text stroke. So to do that, you have to write webkit text stroke, and you can see that this one. Okay, webkit text stroke, you have to write this. Then let's define the text stroke. So first of all, it will take a width value. Okay, how like wide you want your text stroke. So let's say 2 pixel, and then it will ask you for a color. So I have already given a red color to the like our text, so let's give black, okay, to the stroke. Now let's save it, and you can see a 2 pixel wide stroke has been applied to our text. Okay, and it is looking like more highlighted, and you can read this more easily. And if I'll just go back, as you can see here, it is just less, it is just like difficult to read, and whenever I will apply the stroke, it is just more easy, more user friendly. Okay, so this is how you can create a cool looking text stroke, okay, to your website. Now let's see one more example of that. You can like increase the width also. So let's see 20 pixel. As you can see, it is just completely black because it's like too wide. Let's just say 10 pixel. As you can see here, it is looking worse. Okay, so 2 to 5 pixel is, I will say, recommended. Okay, 2 to 5 pixel is great. Now let's see one more example how you can create a cool heading or text in your website. So to do that, you have to write color transparent, that's it. And you don't need to comment this out, even you will do, nothing will happen. So color transparent to the text. Okay, and the text stroke has been also applied. So let's save it, and now you can see it what I mean. So in this way you can create cool effects. Okay, I will just remove this black color. Okay, it is not that great looking. Let's do some golden color. Okay, like this one. So as you can see here what I mean by that, and you can even increase the width if you want. Let's say 6 pixel. It is looking even more cooler, more beautiful. Okay, so this is how you can like create a very cool looking text effect in your website, and you can like do this to create a heading. Okay, a main heading and h1 tag if you want. Anything you can do. Okay, so that's all about text stroke. I hope you have like learn how to make your text even more beautiful, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.